Amazing chefs, hard at work, giving us hard. Are you working hard?
Working hard.
Working hard to make our bellies go yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, Chef John Gouda Brooks, you're a manager at Urban Mo's. Can you tell me what you're cooking up?
Well, right now I'm preparing one of our delicious raspberry chipotle salads.
Oh, that looks good.
Adding a little of the cheese that goes on top, and most importantly, the raspberry chipotle sauce. This dressing is just delicious. And then you top it off with just a little bit of ranch.
Oh, you're putting ranch on it too?
A little ranch, yeah. It's a great combination, great taste.
Wait, can I just taste this raspberry?
Yes, you can. Give it a little nibbly.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that great?
That is delicious.
I know, it's so good. And on Thursday, we're going to be serving up our pork mini-mo's, and we're going to be doing samplings of our John Daly martinis.
John Daly martini.
Yes.
That is quite a large burger that you have on that.
Yes, this is our Western barbecue burger, which is takes quite a while to eat, but once you accomplish it.
Can anybody put their mouth on that thing?
Some people have tried.
Yeah.
Yes.
I can't even imagine. Like, you don't have to detach.
Exactly. You would unhinge and just dive in.
Dive right in. Okay, Chef.
I just disappear for a second.
You're